tell you that last time I made slime with my cousins, Leia and Freddie. I didn't really make their type of slime, but I just want to tell you, the slime I make on my own is contact solution and baking soda. And I was just like, cause my slimes, like the next day, or just an hour, it gets hard. So I made a slime out of shaving cream and Stay Flow. It worked, guys. So I made this kind of cream cheese, peppermint kind of slime, turquoise. I'm really choosing on the colors, but
That's mint green.
mint green. Look back at the camera. Sorry if you fall, guys. It's okay. Hope you guys still like it. It doesn't matter if you fall, so it's just a mistake. But it is really good. It's a really good slime. And I think see, guys, it's okay. I know it's really good. And I really like it. Oh, it's kind of sticky there. It's a little sticky, but it's okay. And now I brought it to school, and everybody wants to have some. So I'm going to be making a slime factory, and I want to be sending them to you. Oh, and I don't want to just make fluffy slime out of Stay Flow and shaving cream. I want you guys to tell me in the comments down below what slime do you want me to make. But if you guys put fluffy slime, I'll do that too. But I really want a new slime. In the comments down below, and I want a new slime. So yeah. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as I said. And let's go slime. So let me see if I had anything else I wanted to say. Oh yeah. And if you guys want me to make that slime, it's like fishbowl slime, crunchy slime, cheesy slime. I don't even know if that's a thing. But if you guys want me to make it, you guys have to send with it how to make it. Because I need to get my ingredients and stuff.
What is this?
But there is one slime I do want to make. It's clicky. Ooh. It's clicky slime. Clicky slime, and it's really fun, really clicky. It's like fluffy slime, but it's really clicky. And yeah, so I hope you guys